write a program to Palindrome String. I'm importing util package dot util dot star for accessing all util class interfaces and classes. Now a scanner sc is equal to new scanner. This class is present in a util package. That's why I am importing util package. And now displaying message for taking input as a string, enter string, then semicolon. Now I'm storing that input value in a str variable. Str is equal to sc, then next. For a next is taking input from a string value and next int for integer value. Now I'm writing a string buffer class, a string buffer sb dot is equal to new string buffer inside a parameter and pass that str value and sb string buffer dot reverse for reversing this string string. And now I am comparing for both. Once like we need to add one more variable for original string org and org str equal to str. Now here writing org str like original value of a string and comparison of both reverse number and that's one method is equals method for comparing the string value. And now I am here to converting this string buffer in a string value. That's why I am writing toString method. Here displaying message like org str concat here is palindrome string. If you do not subscribe my channel, can you please subscribe my channel and comment also. Here writing like org str concat is not palindrome string. Now I'm going to run and enter a string like madam, madam. Yeah, this is a palindrome string. And here I'm writing like abc is not palindrome number. Thank you for watching.